In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make infographics in Canva. If you want to turn complex ideas into something people can grasp at a glance, an infographic is perfect, and Canva makes the process fast and flexible. We'll start from the built-in library and end with a polished, customized design that fits your message and style. Begin on the Canva homepage and head to the Templates section. This opens a huge library of ready-made designs so you don't have to begin from a blank canvas. Using templates saves time and gives you a solid structure for visual storytelling. In the search bar, type infographics. This brings up layouts specifically built for data, timelines, comparisons, processes, and checklists. You'll see a wide range of looks, from bold and colorful to clean and minimal, so you can match the design to your topic and audience. Take a moment to browse. Look for a layout that matches the amount of content you have and the tone you want. Consider orientation if you plan to share on social or present on a slide. If your content is data-heavy, choose a design with clear sections and generous spacing. If it's a process or timeline, pick a template with numbered or staged panels. You can also preview how the elements are arranged to make sure there's a clear flow from title to details. When you find one you like, open it and click Customize this template. Canva will load the editor with your chosen layout, so you can immediately make it your own without rebuilding the structure. Now edit the template to fit your content. Click any text box and replace the placeholder copy with your headline, key points, and supporting details. Keep headlines short and strong and use concise sentences for body text. Adjust fonts and sizes to create a clear hierarchy. Larger for titles, medium for subheads, and smaller for details. Update colors to match your brand or topic using the color controls. High contrast improves readability. Replace icons, illustrations, or charts with visuals that support your message, and keep them consistent in style. Drag elements to reorder sections, and use the alignment guides to keep spacing neat. If a section isn't relevant, delete it. If you need another, duplicate an existing block to maintain a consistent look. Before wrapping up, zoom out and scan the whole page. Make sure the eye naturally moves from the main title to the key points, that spacing feels even, and that nothing is competing for attention. Canva saves as you go, so your progress is safe while you fine-tune. And that's it. Your infographic is ready to inform and impress.